Ever wish effortlessly moving your precious photos, videos and documents from your Android phone to your computer was just a click away? Today, I'm going to show you the simplest ways to transfer files from your Android device to your PC. The most common method, and the easiest, is using a USB cable. First, grab your USB cable, the same one you use to charge your phone. Plug one end into your Android phone and the other into a USB port on your computer. Once connected, your Android phone will send you a notification. Swipe down from the top to expand the notification and look for an option like charging this device via USB. Tap that. Now, you'll see a menu here. You'll select an option like File Transfer or File Transfer, Android Auto. This will allow your computer to access your phone's storage. Now, go to your computer and open File Explorer. You should see your Android device listed there. Usually under this PC or devices and drives, double-click on your device's name. You'll now see all your phone's files organized into folders, such as pictures, videos, and downloads. Simply drag and drop the files or folders you want to transfer from your phone to your PC. You can also right-click and copy and paste. And that's it. Your files are now safely on your computer. This is your go-to method for quick transfers, but you can also use applications for easier file transfer. Remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.